I got going on today. Doing my rear differential. Got it all cleaned out. Look at that oil, man. That's just nasty. It's like a brown chalky. I believe water got in it. So I got the cover. Got the cover all cleaned up. I'm gonna use that for a sealant. I'm gonna put it on there, bead, put it into place, and then wait an hour, and then torque it down. If I can get you a little closer. Look at that. That is not good. So I gotta clean a little more in there. I did outside a little bit, and then I'm good to go. This has never been changed. That's for sure. All right, let me shut this off. Thanks for, well, stay tuned. I'll show you the end. Here's how I'm filling up the rear differential. Got it over here in a funnel, going down into that hole. And then come underneath here, it's coming out there and into there. So it's gonna be a while. But it's looking good. Beats staying, laying down there and filling it. Yeah, it's time consuming, and I don't even have a quart in there yet. She's all buttoned up, ready to rock and roll. No leaks. I already took her for a test run. Good to go. Thanks for watching.